Hello everyone, welcome back to you all to the Commerce Positivity lecture. In today's lecture, we will totally be discussing about the cognitive dissonance theory, what is cognitive dissonance exactly, what causes the dissonance, and how we can resolve this dissonance. So without delay, let's start with the meaning of cognitive dissonance. So, what is this cognitive dissonance theory? The concept of cognitive dissonance or the theory of cognitive dissonance was firstly given by Leon Festinger. So what is cognitive dissonance? Well, cognitive dissonance refers to the situations involving conflicting attitude, belief or behavior. It may be defined as the situations that occur when an individual belief, attitude, intentions and behavior are inconsistent with one another. It may be defined as an uncomfortable feeling caused by holding two different type of idea or two different type of a belief. Cognitive dissonance is a mismatch among emotions, attitude, belief and behavior. This theory tries to explain the linkage between attitude and behavior. Now, let's just look at a few examples. This will make us more clear about the concept of cognitive dissonance. The first example, we ask our junior to do a lot of things which even we don't do. We know that it's good for us, but even we don't do. But we just know to advise. Just do like that. For example, even we have noticed in the society or around us, parents saying their kids, brush twice a day. But even their parents may not brush twice a day. Similarly, another example, somebody who smokes knows that smoking is injurious to his or her health. Even he or she smoke. That is the situations of cognitive dissonance. Similarly, when people eat junk food and they know it produces fat, even he or she takes junk food because of his or her behavior. So, what causes cognitive dissonance? What are the factors that actually cause cognitive dissonance in our mind? The first factor is forced complaint behavior. Yes, of course, when we don't want to do something, but due to some pressure, we are bound to do something as is our own belief, then it causes cognitive dissonance. Let's take one example. Let's suppose that we are a job holder and we have decided to work with our full honesty and give our best in our job. But the person who is our supervisor or boss try to pressure us to do something wrong, to sign on some wrong agreement which we actually don't want. In such situation, we feel contradiction. Dissonance occur in such situations because here someone is trying to force us to do something which we don't like. Similarly, another causes of cognitive dissonance is decisions making, choice between A and B. When we have to make a choice between two alternatives which are equally good, then we always face cognitive dissonance. Now, let's just take one example. This will make us more clear. Suppose we have got two job offers, job A and job B. Job A is near to our home, but the salary is low. Similarly, job B is out of city. Even the salary is too good. But to do job B, we need to go out of city by leaving our family. Now, we are having problem among two alternatives because even job A have some benefit and job B even have some benefit. This will create dissonance in our mind and we are unable to select between two alternatives. Similarly, effort is another important causes of cognitive dissonance. When we put a lot of effort into something, but later on you realize it's not worth for you, then it really causes a cognitive dissonance in our mind. Let's just look at one example. We tried for one government job from last 4 years. We really worked hard and finally we got that job. But later on you realize that the salary and job was not according to your expectation, then it really causes a dissonance, a type of dissonance in your mind. Well, We have already studied about the concept or meaning of cognitive dissonance, what causes cognitive dissonance in our mind. Now let us understand how we can solve those cognitive dissonance. The first one is change one of those thoughts, like smoking is not that much bad. Similarly, changing the behavior. Yeah, in order to resolve this, we can change our behaviors, like one can stop smoking. Similarly, adding new thoughts. Smoking is bad and I smoke regularly, but at the same time, I do a lot of things which is good for my health. Similarly, ignore one of those thoughts. The feeling like, yes, I don't care. Similarly, reducing the importance of belief. Live life today. We have seen the future. Such type of a behavior can help us to resolve those cognitive disorders. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.